To install the Autobot pack for AlgoBox, you will first need to make sure that you have already downloaded the AlgoBox installer, and at this current version we are at 8.5.2.2. In the future we may be at a different version, but it will be included in the same installer if you are watching this video. So same installer is going to be used. Prerequisites, you'll need to make sure you've already installed NinjaTrader 8, and there are previous videos to those to make sure you've got those installed and all set up. This is assuming that you already have AlgoBox installed on top of NinjaTrader. So the third installation that you'll need to do, run the installer one more time. So I'm going to go ahead and double click it. Now again, you can get this from our website. There are several ways to get that. I'm not going to walk through how to go and download that. If you want to watch the previous videos, you can for that. But here we go. This is the important part right here. So as you go through the installer, this checkbox right here, this is going to be the Autobot pack. I'm sorry, the Autobot pack edition. Again, you may or may not have access to that depending on which package you purchased. But if you do have access to it, this is how you get the installation. We'll go next. I agree to terms. Walking on through. Next, 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 finish. We'll exit. And then you will launch NinjaTrader as you normally would. Right up here for me, 64-bit edition for NinjaTrader 8. Again, everything that we run with AlgoBox is actually on top of the NinjaTrader 8 platform. So that should be a no-brainer for some of you guys. But again, some people are brand new to it. And we will get our main windows here. Okay, so this is my default layout that I'm currently using. So you want to pull your control center over here to your main window if it's not already there. This is again your control window. We've gone through this in previous videos. And we can come in here to our workspaces. So on your workspaces, you may have a different list here than I do, but the one you want to look at here is going to be, for instance, the LunchBot. There's going to be a headshot and a two-finger salute in your Autobot pack. If I'm going to switch over to those, this is how you do that. And those can look like this. Now, you do not have to have this workspace layout. Each individual bot is going to be different, so we'll go over those in a different video. But if you have this installed properly, you should have some additional workspaces on there, including the LunchBot, the headshot, and the two-finger salute. That'll be it for this video. Stay tuned for the next one.